Just got back from Harbor Freight today. We picked up some stuff for the welder. And we're gonna weld the diff to Maddie's GS today. And also get started on diagnosing what's wrong with Gary's S14. Gotta get that up running sooner the better. I'm fucking stuffed. I just ate. So we gotta get that going. Check back a little later. It's a little later, and we are we are gonna pull the diff now. Getting ready to pull the diff to prep Maddie's car for Vegas Drift on the 29th. We still gotta get that done, and after that, it's pretty much it. It's just minor tweaks to the handbrake and maybe just raising the front a little bit more so it doesn't have the rubbing issue that I showed you guys earlier. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna get under there. Maddie already got the car jacked up and on jack stands. Just gotta unbolt some things and pull the fucking diff out. Catch up with you guys in a little bit. Yeah, so we haven't recorded a lot because it looks like it's about to rain. We're kind of trying to rush. Also, the bolts for the diff have kind of been a pain in the ass. So getting that done has not been fun for Matt. But they're pretty much out. Just gotta go get that and then go get the stuff. Well, we need brake cleaner and the trans fluid, right? Or what'd you say?
Gear oil.
Gear oil. Bleh. Gear oil. So we gotta go get those two. And then we good to go. Good to weld the diff. So probably won't start recording until we actually have the diff in the garage and are doing the whole process. Cause that shit, like, hopefully it just blows over. If not, it's gonna rain. But by that point, we should be good. So either way, we'll be all right.
They turn out pretty when you do them.
They don't look like it. All right, diff's out. Fucking, it was a pain in the ass. We did it though. It's out now. It's gonna be draining while we go get the stuff. Bam. Woo. Go. Let's see it. Yeah, it's getting a little late. It's getting a little dark. So let's hurry the fuck up, get this done. All right. So the diff's been cleaned. Just sprayed a whole can of brake cleaner into the Johnny. Now we. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, Jesus. Had all the grease on the lens. All right, take two. Clean it. Has brake cleaner in now. Now what are you gonna do? Oh, Jesus. Oh.
That's a burn.
Just let that Johnny. Just gonna let it get toasty, and then it's good to weld, right?
Yeah.
All right, it's already been drained. Been cleaned with brake cleaner. Hit it with the Benny Hanna trick, and it should be good to go. We'll get back to you once Maddie starts welding. That should be pretty cool. The welding done, just crunching it. Fucking nighttime now, baby. We're getting down with the welds right now. Got that shit welded up. Check back in once that shit's done. I'll show you what it looks like. 8005. Shout out to Mike Jones. Who? Mike Jones. All right, so that one. Woohoo. So it's welded up. It's been filled up. It's good to go. Shout out to the Boma Migmax 215 all the power. So we're good. She's filled, ready to go, and throw her back in tomorrow. It is late. Might shoot over to Gary's spot. Not too sure. But kind of just want to lay down, go to sleep. But we'll see what's up. Catch you guys tomorrow, maybe. Most likely, yeah. All right, for sure.